Tata Motors presents the next level in small pickups. The Super Ace Mint pickup ki power, kamal ki mileage. Powered by a 1.4-litre DİCH BS4 engine. The Super Ace Mint gives a mileage of 17.9 km per litre at 70 HP power and a top speed of 125 km per hour. With a flat torque of 140 Nm over an RPM range of 1800 to 3000 RPM and a payload of 1000 kgs. It has the longest load body in its class of 8 feet 7 inches that make it ideal for a variety of applications. Mint is a worthy addition to the Super Ace family. So, let us take you through the state-of-the-art manufacturing process of the Tata Super Ace Mint. This is where it all starts, at the state-of-the-art manufacturing plant of Tata Motors in Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. Spread across 950 acres, including a 335-acre vendor park. This WCQ Level 1 certified plant has a capacity of 5 lakh vehicles per annum. The Tata Super Ace Mint goes through an extensive 5-step manufacturing process, starting with engine assembly, body shop, paint shop, final assembly and testing. Engine assembly is the first step in the manufacturing process of the Super Ace Mint that we will see. Super Ace Mint is equipped with a 4-cylinder 1.4-litre DİCH engine. DİCH means Common Rail Direct Injection Technology, which ensures high-pressure injection of fuel-air mixture that gives better power and mileage to the engine. Super Ace Mint engine has a best-in-class power of 70 HP, which makes it the ideal vehicle for all types of loads and business. Here at Tata Motors, Super Ace Mint engine is manufactured with precision and finesse to ensure best performance. As the first step in the process, the chassis frame and pressed panels go through various stages in the body shop, where the vehicle outer shell is created. The cabin and the load body are assembled at the body shop. After a series of operations that ensures ruggedness and comfort, the body is ready to be transferred to the paint shop. Load body mounting is the final process in the body shop. After which, the completed shell is dispatched to the paint shop through a fully automated enclosed conveyor system. Now, the gleaming exterior of the Tata Super Ace Mint is achieved in the state-of-the-art paint shop. The paint shop has a series of paint processes that include primer coating, where it goes through a 360-degree roll tip to ensure durability of the exterior surface. Oven dry, where the primer coating goes through a drying process. And final coat, that is applied by robotic arms that provides the stylish texture and the shine to the vehicle. The painted body is then sent to the final assembly shop through a series of automated conveyors, where the body passes through 75 stations manned by highly skilled operators aided by state-of-the-art machinery. The TCF or assembly line seamlessly integrates different aggregates of the vehicle with precision and absolute adherence to quality. The line starts with the fitment of sub-assembly, of air filter, fitment of air filter to long member, and fitment of battery and cables. Then, fitment of snorkel, air intake duct, air intake vent, and clamping of hump air hose is done in an ergonomical way. And fitment of insulation pad and carpets is done ensuring proper insulation so that there is no heat ingress in the cabin. After this, fitment of accelerator pedal. Fitment of parking brake lever to ensure safety during parking. Fitment of gear shift lever to cab, which provides ease of maneuvering the 5-speed gearbox designed for a top speed of 125 km per hour. Now, fitment of seat belts, LH and RH is done to ensure driver and cabin passenger safety, followed by fitment of cabin primary ceiling LH to ensure the cabin quality, and fitment of cabin lamp to ensure driver convenience during the dark, and fitment of sun visor to protect eyes from direct sun glare. Before continuing with the other trimmings, the fitment of vacuum pipe from vacuum booster is done, which facilitates superior braking performance. After this, various trimmings are done, followed by fitment of powerful headlamps to ensure better visibility during night, fog and rain. After this, the Super Ace Mint moves on to get fitted with some safety and utility components like A-pillar, LH, RH, which makes the Super Ace Mint a high-strength steel body for better accident protection. Fitment of door glass, LH and RH, providing safety against all weather conditions. Fitment of wide-angle rear view for better visibility of the driver. The Tata Super Ace Mint now nears the final fitments of the cabin and load body. The next process is the radiator fitment and radiator hoses clamping to ensure better cooling for the engine, hence facilitating longer drives. The semi-fitted body is then transferred to the underbody line through an overhead automated conveyor. The underbody line starts with rear suspension subassembly and fitment, which is rugged enough to take on all types of load. Rear shock absorber fitment LH-RH. Tightening of rear anti-roll bar. Fitted with the engine. Now, the vehicle moves on in the underbody line to get the front suspension stuffing done, followed by fitment of front shock absorbers LH-RH. Fitment of front anti-roll bar. Fitment of air vent LH and RH and air ducts. Fitment of spare wheel and grease application. Tightening of wheels LH-RH. Positioning of wheels LH-RH where alignment is done to ensure smooth driving and low tire wear. The vehicle now reaches the final stages of assembly, which contain sub-assembly of dashboard and fitment of dashboard, which is convenient glove box with locking facility. Sub-assembly of windshield and fitment of a large windshield for wider visibility and safe driving. Stylish wide area wiper blade fitment. Fitment of steering wheel, which is stylish and comfortable for better control and less effort. Comfortable driver and co-driver seat. Fitment of front panel outer. Sub-assembly of front bumper. Fitment of front bumper. Tata mascot and Super Ace Mint mascot. The Tata Super Ace Mint moves to the last and final phase, testing, to ensure that the vehicle which reaches you is of world-class quality. The various tests include flashing and diagnostics of electronically controlled engine, ensures early diagnosis of engine issues and radiator coolant filling. Side slip testing. Roll and brake testing for braking efficiency. underpit inspection for underbody testing. Smoke testing for emission compliance. Steering angle setting to ensure correct alignment of steering wheel. Headlight aiming. Shower test to ensure no water leakage inside the vehicle. And pre-delivery inspection to ensure that the vehicle which leaves the plant is defect-free. Road testing to ensure reliability of the vehicle during day-to-day running. This journey of excellence culminates with the vehicle stored at the stockyard, ready for delivery through the tractor trailers to all parts of the country. This is the story of Tata Super Ace Mint. Pickup की power, कमाल की mileage.